In the heart of ancient Athens, amidst the bustling marketplaces and the shadow of the Acropolis, a man named Plato sat in contemplation. A student of Socrates and the founder of the Academy, Plato was a master philosopher, his thoughts shaping Western political philosophy for centuries to come. Born into a world of political turmoil, Plato witnessed Athens decline from its golden age, the rise and fall of tyrants, and the brief, tumultuous reign of democracy. This tumultuous backdrop fueled Plato's quest for a just society, leading him to develop a political philosophy that would challenge the status quo. One of Plato's most famous works, The Republic, is a dialogue that explores the nature of justice and the ideal city-state. In this dialogue, Plato presents the allegory of the cave, a thought experiment that illustrates his ideas about the nature of reality and knowledge. Imagine, Plato says, a group of prisoners who have lived their entire lives chained in a cave, facing a wall. Unable to turn their heads, they can only see the shadows projected onto the cave's wall by objects passing in front of a fire behind them. These shadows are all they know, and they believe them to be real. One prisoner is eventually freed and forced to turn around. Overwhelmed by the bright light, he stumbles out of the cave and into the world above. As his eyes adjust, he encounters the real objects that cast the shadows he used to know as reality. He realizes that his previous understanding was limited and flawed. This allegory represents Plato's belief that most people are like the prisoners in the cave, trapped in their own ignorance and limited understanding of the world. To escape this ignorance, one must undergo a process of enlightenment, seeking knowledge and wisdom, and ultimately, striving for the truth. In Plato's vision of the ideal city-state, this enlightenment is achieved through education and the pursuit of virtue. He believed that only those who have been educated in the pursuit of wisdom should be allowed to govern, as they are more likely to lead justly. Plato's political philosophy continues to influence political thought today, with his ideas on justice, the role of education, and the importance of virtue serving as cornerstones of Western political philosophy. His allegory of the cave remains a powerful reminder of the importance of seeking truth, questioning our assumptions, and striving for a just society.